What's up guys, so Redmi K30 Pro is going to have some amazing features and I've got information about two main things that Redmi K30 Pro is going to have and I'll be sharing these in this video. So Redmi K30 Pro is going to be the successor to Redmi K20 series of last year, well-known series of Redmi with amazing features and a pop-up style camera mechanism. But now I got some news regarding Redmi K30 Pro that it is going to have a major improvement in its cameras. We saw a Sony IMX686 sensor in Redmi K30 and that is still a new camera sensor from Sony with amazing details and high quality photo production, and this is what Redmi is gonna include in their brand new Redmi K30 Pro. Yes, Redmi K30 Pro is more likely to have that same 64 megapixel resolution sensor, but where things get changed is this, that we will also see optical image stabilization in this IMX686. Yes, Redmi is heading up and moving towards this stability and increasing the camera performance by providing the Redmi K30 Pro OIS feature, so that you will be able to record your videos in really smooth pattern with no shakiness. Now next thing Redmi is including is a dedicated telephoto lens. Yes, Redmi is going for 2x dedicated telephoto lens this time and for Redmi K30 Pro, and this is what we haven't seen in previous Redmi series, so thumbs up for this thing. Along with this telephoto lens we will also have a macro lens and an ultra wide angle lens too. So these are major improvements we will see in camera setup of Redmi K30 Pro. Now moving towards the second thing, that Redmi K30 Pro is going to release earlier than our expectations. Yes, Redmi K30 Pro is expected to officially launch on 24th or maybe 25th of the March, I mean this month, and this is also hinted by the president of Xiaomi China. As you can see, he posted on Weibo in a reply to a user that it will be launching before Huawei P40. So we are almost a week far from its official launch and everything we know about it, and here are some other internal specs. You can have a look at them. K30 Pro will be fueled up by 4700 milliamps of battery with fast charging of 33 watts, and this time Redmi is not gonna include wireless charging capability in this Redmi K30 Pro. And main thing, that Redmi K30 Pro will be powered by Snapdragon 865, and this is the brand new and most powerful chipset from Snapdragon ever. And this is also rumored that Redmi K30 Pro will be one of the cheapest smartphone with Snapdragon 865 SoC, 6GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB of internal storage will also be there. Display is going to be 6.67 inches and this will be a OLED display with most likely to be 120Hz refresh rate. That ends up here. We will see more information on official launch day. Till that, stay connected by subscribing and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.